Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Daily, the channel where learning English is simple, natural, and fun. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy to see you here again.
And I'm David. Hi, everyone. We're really excited about today's episode because it's perfect for beginners who want to speak English with confidence.
Exactly. If you've ever felt nervous or shy when speaking English, don't worry, we've all been there. Today, we'll practice easy and natural dialogues that you can use every single day.
Right. These conversations are simple, short, and realistic. So whether you're at school, at work, or meeting new people, you'll know exactly what to say.
Before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel, Speak English Daily, and hit the like button. It really helps us bring you more free English lessons.
Absolutely. All right, Anna, shall we start?
Let's do it. Dialogue 1. Introducing yourself. When you meet someone new, you can say, "Hi, my name is Anna. Nice to meet you."
And the other person can reply, "Hi, I'm David. Nice to meet you too, Anna."
Exactly. Let's hear a short example. Anna. "Hi, my name is Anna. Nice to meet you."
David. "Nice to meet you too, Anna. Where are you from?"
Anna. "I'm from Canada. What about you?"
David. "I'm from the UK."
That's it. Simple, friendly, and natural. Try saying it out loud. Dialogue 2. Asking about the weather. Now let's move to something we all talk about, the weather.
Anna. "It's such a beautiful day today."
David. "Yeah, it's sunny and warm. Perfect weather for a walk."
Anna. "True, but yesterday was so cold."
David. "I know, the weather changes so fast here." This is one of the easiest ways to start a conversation with anyone, even strangers. Dialogue 3. Ordering coffee.
Next, let's go to a coffee shop.
Anna. "Hi, can I get a cappuccino, please?"
David. "Sure. Would you like sugar or milk with that?"
Anna. "Just a little sugar, please."
David. "All right, your coffee will be ready soon."
See, that's how native speakers order coffee. You can also say, "Can I have?" or "Could I get?" instead of "I want." Dialogue 4. Talking about your job.
So, Anna, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher. I teach students from all over the world.
That's amazing. I'm a graphic designer. I work from home.
Wow, that sounds fun. A useful tip. Always say "I'm a" before your job. For example, "I'm a doctor" or "I'm an engineer." Dialogue 5. Shopping for clothes. Okay, now imagine you're at a store shopping for clothes.
Anna. "Excuse me, how much is this shirt?"
David. "It's $25.
Anna. "Do you have it in medium size?"
David. "Yes, here you go."
Anna. "Thank you. I'll take it."
Perfect. Always start with "excuse me." It makes you sound polite and natural. Dialogue 6. Asking for directions.
Now, one of the most useful topics, asking for directions.
Anna. "Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station?" David. "Sure. Go straight and turn left at the traffic light. It's next to the bank." Anna. "Thank you so much." David. "You're welcome." This kind of small talk is very helpful when you travel or visit a new place. Dialogue 8. Talking about hobbies. Let's talk about hobbies, something fun and easy.
Anna. "David, what do you like to do in your free time?"
David. "I love playing guitar and watching movies. What about you?"
Anna. "I enjoy cooking and reading books."
You can start by saying "I like," "I love," or "I enjoy." All of these sound natural. Dialogue 9. At the restaurant.
Now, let's move to a restaurant.
David. "Hi, could we have a table for two, please?" Anna. "Yes, sure. Here's your menu." David. "Thank you. What do you recommend?" Anna. The pasta is really good. David, okay, I'll have that. Short, polite, and useful. Perfect for real-life situations. Dialogue 10. Talking about feelings. Sometimes you want to express how you feel. Let's practice that.
Anna, hey David, how are you feeling today?
David, I'm feeling great, thanks. Just a little tired.
Anna, you should take a break.
David, good idea. You can also say I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm excited, or I'm nervous. Dialogue 11. Making small talk.
Okay, this one is called small talk. Simple conversation when you meet someone.
Anna, hi, how's your day going? David, pretty good. Just finished work. What about you? Anna, same here. I'm relaxing now. Small talk helps build confidence. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Dialogue 12. Making plans. Now let's practice making plans with friends.
Anna, David, are you free this weekend?
David, yeah, I think so. Why?
Anna, let's go to the park.
David, sounds great. What time?
Anna, let's meet at 10 a.m.
David, perfect. Dialogue 13. Talking on the phone.
Here's a basic phone conversation.
Anna, hello, may I speak to David?
David, speaking. Hi, Anna.
Anna, hi, are you busy right now?
David, not really. What's up?
Anna, just wanted to remind you about our podcast recording.
Oh, right. Thanks for reminding me.
Dialogue 14. Expressing opinions. Next, let's learn how to give your opinion.
Anna, I think learning English online is really helpful.
David, yes, I agree. It's flexible and fun.
Anna, but sometimes I miss face-to-face classes.
David, true, nothing beats real conversation. Dialogue 15. Talking about the weekend.
Everyone loves weekends. Let's talk about that.
Anna, what did you do last weekend? David, I went hiking with friends. What about you?
Anna, I stayed home and watched movies.
Nice. Sometimes lazy weekends are the best. Dialogue 16. Talking about the future. Now let's look at how to talk about the future.
Anna, what are you going to do tomorrow?
David, I'm going to visit my parents.
Anna, that's nice. I'm going to clean my room.
David, good luck with that. Dialogue 17. At the airport.
Let's practice a travel conversation.
Anna, excuse me, what time does the flight to New York leave?
David, it leaves at 3:30 p.m.
Anna, thank you. And where is gate number 5?
David, right down that hole.
Anna, thanks again. Dialogue 18. Asking about time.
This is one of the most common questions, asking for time.
Anna, excuse me, what time is it?
David, it's 2:45.
Anna, thank you.
David, you're welcome.
Dialogue 19. Talking about family.
Let's talk about family. David, Anna, do you have any siblings?
Anna, yes, I have one brother. What about you?
David, I have 2 sisters.
Anna, that's nice. Big families are fun. Dialogue 20. Expressing gratitude.
David, thank you for helping me with my homework.
Anna, no problem. Glad I could help.
Anna, you're the best.
David, you too.
Anna, okay, Anna, I have to go now.
All right, see you later.
David, take care.
Anna, you too, David.